that's ready.
Bubble.
Bubble.
Oh, sweet honey. Oh. One got my eye out.
Ready? Let's go.
Mine.
Okay.
Mine.
Yeah, it's yours.
Red. Look.
Dip it all the way in.
Look.
Very good.
Yeah.
Good job.
One.
Where'd your sister go?
Go.
Good job. She's over by the swing set. You wanna go with her? Sure. I can walk you over with her. I don't think that'll be a problem.
Bubble. Bubble.
You can go blow bubbles with your sister? Want me to hold your bubbles? Second. Here, I got it.
Hey. No.
She wants to come see you guys blow bubbles.
I want the bubbles. Can't I see them?
No.
No.
Here, you want this? She goes.
Wow.
I'm just about to get one on there now. Stella, do not touch something.
Here you go, Stella. You want to try and blow bubbles? You gotta put some bubble stuff on it. Soap.
Here again.
Yeah?
Here again.
Wow.
Videotape it. Or take a picture.
Got it.
Get it?
Wow.
No. Gee.
Ready? Blow. Oh. Very good.
Oh. Gee.
Hang on.
What? Here again.
Wow, good catch.
Gee.
More bubble soap.
Oh, I have a joke on you. Why? I'm trying to get one on her. Gee. Want me to do that joke to you?
No, no thank you.
That was a good shot, actually.
No thank you.
No bubbles. Stella, no bubbles.
I'm going to
Oh.
get giant one. I have
Close.
That was a giant, wasn't it?
Good job, Stella.
Want me to hold him again?
Oh,
I want to swing.
No, don't dump it all
I
out.
want that.
Why?
That. That.
Yeah, it's wet.
Why?
I don't know. It's got bubbles all over it.
Why?
I don't know. It just got spilt.
Because I did it.
Oh.
Bubble.
I'm glad that was only.
Bubble.
Mhm.
Bubble.
Stella. There's no more. Do you want blow bubbles?
Kiki.
There's no more in there. There's some in this one.
So maybe some on a stick, though.
I don't think any more is on the stick. You want to use the pink one?
Yeah.
No? You want to use yours?
Kiki.